everybody. So I'm back again to teach you more about flowers. So this time around, we're going to classify flowers. What does classification mean? Classification means we're going to put all the flowers that are of the same type together. Although they are of different colors, they might be of different size, but they are the same type of flowers. So today we're going to find same type of flowers and put them together, and that's called classifying flowers. So let's go. So over here I have different types of flowers, but I am going to look for a type of flower which is called a frangipani. This is a frangipani here. Now there are a few other frangipanis on my green mat, and I'm going to look for them. They might not be the same color, they might be of a different color. And how do I know that they all belong to the same family? I can smell them and I can look at their petals. This frangipani here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got 5 petals. So if I'm looking for other frangipanis, they too should have 5 petals and they should smell the same. It's got a very sweet smell. So I'm going to place my first frangipani on my tray. Now I'm going to go in search of my other frangipanis. Are you ready? Let's have a look. Let's count the petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh. And I'm going to smell it. It smells just like this frangipani, and they both have 5 petals each. So they belong to the same frangipani family. And so I'm going to put them together. Let's see if there's any more frangipanis on my mat. Is one more flower here, and let's count the petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got 5 petals just like my other 2 frangipanis, and I'm going to smell it. It's got the same sweet smell. That means they all belong together. They are from the same family. They are from the frangipani family. Now we're going to go in search of another type of flower, and we're going to find its family. Let's see which flower we can choose. I'm going to pick this white one here. It's called a bougainvillea flower. Now the bougainvillea, it feels a bit like paper, and let's see how many petals it has. 1, 2, 3. And the other flower here too has 1, 2, 3. So bougainvilleas have 3 petals, and their petals feel like paper. So now I'm going to go in search of other bougainvilleas on my mat. I'm going to place it on this corner of my tray. Let's go and have a look. Ooh. Another papery looking bougainvillea here. And let's have a closer look. It's got 1, 2, 3 petals. And there's a tiny one next to it. And it too has 1, 2, 3 petals. So it belongs to the bougainvillea family. Now, are there any more bougainvilleas? I see something that looks similar to the other 2 bougainvilleas. Look, 1, 2, 3 petals. 1, 2, 3 petals. And it also feels a bit papery. So they too belong to the bougainvillea family. And I found the bougainvillea family. And that's how we classify flowers. So we find the same type of flowers, the same number of petals, and the same qualities, whether they have soft petals, whether they have rough petals, whether they have papery like petals, and whether they have the same smell. So I hope you too can try classifying some flowers that you find in your environment. And until we meet again, take care. Bye.